Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice.
Hello, beautiful souls. I'm Marley, human being, yoga teacher, and lover of life. Today, I'm going to guide you through a little full moon meditation in honor of being here in Joshua Tree during the Taurus full moon lunar eclipse. So go ahead and find your back, your way onto your back. Legs long, toes fall out wide, palms face the sky, out to your side. And take any minor adjustments you need to feel even just 5% more comfortable. And then begin to come into some clearing breath. Deep inhale through your nose. Big exhale out of your mouth. Two more like this. Breath in. Clear it out. And last one, breathe in. Breathe out. And then begin to return to your normal breath. Deep inhales and exhales. And feel in to your feet, bottoms of your feet. Your hands, the palms of your hands. And feel into all parts of your back body making contact with the earth below. Calves, thighs, butt, low back, middle back, upper back, neck, head, shoulders, upper arms, and forearms. And lastly, back of palms. Feel all parts of the back body connected to the earth below. And as you continue to breathe, feel them sinking deeper and deeper, softening and soothing. And then begin to imagine that your back body is being supported by a big, white, fluffy cloud. What does it feel like? You are supported and held by this cloud. Now imagine that it begins to lift you up, 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 off of the earth. And now you and your cloud are floating up and away into the sky. You pass over the tops of houses, the treetops. You see the ground below, but you are supported and you are held. You are safe. you continue to float up, 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 all the way into the night sky. And now you are surrounded by a sea of clouds. You can go anywhere you'd like. You can continue to lay. Maybe you want to get up and walk around and explore. Do you want to play in the clouds? Do you want to hop and leap amongst them? Maybe you even begin to fly. All above you, you are surrounded by a sea of stars. Stars everywhere, glistening, glowing, sparkling. You can even touch them. You can grab hold of them. What do you choose to do in this moment? And now the moon has began to rise. A full moon, beautiful, large and glowing, bright. You see the moon rising over the clouds and into the sea of stars. And everything is lit up. The moon glows under your skin, and you feel yourself radiating. The moon continues to grow closer and closer until you are able to walk right on up to it. What do? You reach out and touch it. Do you give it a hug? Go ahead. Allow yourself to soak in all of its healing bliss. And now the moon needs to keep going. And it's time for you to return yourself back down to earth. You say goodbye, you say thank you. And you make your way back onto your cloud, looking up at the beautiful sea of stars and shining moon above. Slowly, your cloud begins to separate from the others and gently guides you back down to earth. You watch the stars and moon fade further away. You make your way back to the treetops and over the houses. You're slowly guided all the way back down to the ground. And now you are here, back on the earth. Your cloud gives you one last goodbye. And you thank it for for the wonderful journey, knowing that you can come back to this place and space to explore anytime you wish. Begin to come back into your breath at any time you wish. If you feel content here and you'd like to stay longer, please go ahead and do so and enjoy this space of solitude. If you're ready to come out, return to your breath. Start to flutter fingers and toes. And take any movements you need to wake back up to this space. Maybe a full body stretch. And then roll yourself over onto one side in the fetal position. And keeping the eyes closed, gently guide yourself back up to a seat. Take your palms face down on your knees for more grounding, or face up to begin calling energy back in. Take a deep round of breath in. Breath out. Bring palms together at your chest. One more inhale. Exhale, together we bow in a moment of silence and gratitude. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're feeling light, peaceful, and grounded back down to earth. Have a good one, and I'll see you soon.